Hello, so we've launched our n8n node for PostNitro, and this is how you can set up. First, go to settings, then community nodes, then let's just copy this and install community node, paste it here, and install. And now let's go back to our workflow. Okay, now I'll be able to search for PostNitro. It is, and I would need to set my credentials. Okay, so connection, this is the API base, then the API key. To get that, you would need to go to PostNitro.ai, then go to this route. This would be the API key that we use. Okay, and then let's just go back, paste it here, click on save, and I think we've got successfully. And now it's connected. And now let's generate a carousel from text. Okay, to get the template ID, and the post type is carousel. And then for the template ID, let's go to templates. I've already created these templates. Let's just copy this one. Okay, paste it here. And then the other required field is brand ID. Let's go to brand kit, create a brand, and then just copy its ID, paste it here. And since we are going to be generating from AI, we would need to create a preset. You can create one like this. Okay. And I've already got one created. So let's just copy this, paste it here. And in case you want to identify this in the logs, you can add a requested ID here. The response type, since I'll be posting to LinkedIn, would need to be PDF. For the topic, let's go with how to travel the world. Okay. And now you can even provide additional instructions for the AI to modify the output, and you can wait for the completion. You can enable this to wait for completion. So that basically this would generate, then wait for the output to complete, and then provide you with the completed carousel in a URL link form. So you can set the waiting time. Ideally, it would be around 10 seconds. Okay, then the max checks on completion, fetch output. You can even return the status only, but we need the output. So let's do that. And you, instead of a URL, if you want it to be a binary file, you can enable this toggle, and the output would be generated as a binary file. So let's just execute the step. It would take about, I think, 10 to 20 seconds to generate. Let's see. Yeah. So this is the output that we have. In the results, the data, you can copy this link, open it in the browser, and you will see that the carousel is generated like this. So that we are using the same template we provided here. Okay, this one, you can see it like this. Okay, so this was the template. I had applied my own custom colors, text to it as well. And this is the output now. And since for this one, we were generating from text, we can even have a node create one from either an article link or a Twitter or X post, or you can import your own content as well. See, this is how it works. You would need to provide a slides JSON. If you need more information, you can go to our docs. Let's go to the docs here. Let me just import. Okay, so this is the information that we need in the request body. All of the data structure is provided here. And this is the sample output. You can simply just copy this like this. So we need the type, subheading, heading, description, CTA button, text, and the background image URL. Okay, and you can simply just paste it here and then fill in these information from the dashboard. Okay, let's just do this here. Copy, paste in the brand ID. And since we aren't generating from AI, we are providing the AI with our own content. We do not need to set the preset ID. Okay. For this one, let's just set the output to be PNG. The other options are the same, and let's just execute this step. Okay. So you can see that we have the output in PNG format. Okay. So basically, since we provided an array of 4 slides, so we have 4 slides right here. Let's just check this first one. So this would be a PNG image, and let's see. Okay, so this was the sample content that we provided. My awesome subtitle, welcome to the carousel. This is how you start with the band. Okay, and if I show you here, so this was the starting slide, my awesome subtitle, heading, welcome to the carousel, description, this is how you start with the band. Okay, and this is how you create your content by providing your own this is how you create a carousel by providing your own content. Okay. And since now for these examples, I'm using my own content for the slides and for the text input. What users can do is they can connect their data sources and then provide those handles inside the text that we can process in the carousel and then map it across the carousel slides and provide you the output in either a PDF format or a PNG format, which you can select from here. So I hope this helps, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.